Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Dr. Karthikeyan Home Remedies and Tips. Today we are going to see home remedies for knee pain. That is how to reduce this knee pain, especially the osteoarthritis knee pain. So I will demonstrate this with the help of picture, and also I will demonstrate with the help of exercise. But before we go into the exercise, you have to understand the basic concept of this knee. So as you can see from the picture, the knee joint is surrounded by muscles, and there is ligaments attaching to these bone ends, and in between the two big bones, tibia and femur, we have the synovial joint, synovial capsule, and in between there is a cartilage. So the osteoarthritis happens because of the damage to the cartilage and the injury to the surrounding tissue and extraction of fluid from the synovial membrane and synovial tissues. You all know the inflammatory process behind this knee pain. Tablets are not long-term solution, and a long-term solution, the ultimate end solution is total knee replacement, which is the last resort. But in between, to manage our lifestyle without pain, there is a need for strengthening the muscles surrounding this knee. So if you strengthen all these muscles surrounding the knee, what will happen is it will stabilize the knee joint to a certain extent, and definitely it will reduce the pain to a certain extent. So now I will demonstrate to you how to do these knee exercises. Before doing the knee exercises, first you have to warm up this knee joint. So it is not like normal warm up where you go for walking, which is not possible when there is extreme pain. So here you can warm up by using warm towel. Just apply the warm towel for 10 to 15 minutes before starting to do the exercise. And also before moving to the exercise, please subscribe our channel Dr. Karthikeyan Home Remedies and Tips if you have not subscribed before. First, we have to sit at the end of the chair. See that there is a gap between the knee joint and the chair. Now you have to slowly lift the leg at the knee joint level. 1, 2, 3. Bring it down slowly. Then again you do for the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Bring it down slowly. Similarly, you repeat the same thing for opposite leg. 20 times we have to do for both leg. What we are doing here is we are strengthening the quadriceps muscle here. Remember this. Next exercise is standing hamstring crawls. So what we are doing here is you are balancing yourself by holding the chair. Slowly lift the leg at the knee level, back side like I am showing. Count 1, 2, 3. Bring it down. Similarly, you do for the opposite leg, do for 20 times. Next exercise is calf stretch. So this is the calf muscle, you can see, right? Now we are going to stretch this calf muscle so that it becomes strengthened. So what we have to do, same like before, you hold the chair, bring your left foot behind, and then like I am showing in the video, you press the hind part of your leg with the front part of your leg. So when you press like this, you are stretching the calf. So in this way you count for 20 seconds. Then you can repeat the same stretch for the opposite leg. Here also you have to count for 20 seconds. So like this we have to do for 3 times so that the calf is adequately stretched. Next exercise is seated hip march. See, we are going to give exercise for the hip muscles. So how we are going to do? See, now the right leg, you are like I am showing in the video, keep it behind, little bit behind, and then now with you have to hold your left thigh like I am showing in the video, and then you have to stretch your foot like I am showing in the video. So in this way what is happening is you are stretching the hip muscle. Count 1, 2, 3 and then keep it back. So you have to do for 10 times the same procedure so that you are strengthening the hip muscles in the left side. Now you are going to repeat the same thing on the right side. So you have to keep the left foot behind and you have to lift the right leg. Do this for 10 times. Next exercise is pillow squeeze, where you are going to strengthen the muscles in the inner part of your thighs. So use the pillow, you fold it like this, keep it in between your legs, in between your knees exactly. The pillow should be soft like this. Fold it, keep it in the middle of your knees, and now you are going to squeeze it. Squeeze it as tight as possible. Count to the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you release it. Similarly, you do for 10 times for 5 count. Now the next sixth exercise is standing leg exercise. So you have to sit on a chair, a soft chair, and you are sitting straight, the knees are bent, the foot is flat on the floor, and now what you are going to do is you are going to get up from the chair but without holding the chair and without holding anything, and also you are sitting at the edge of the chair like this, and now you are folding your hands to the front, and now you are slowly getting up using your thigh muscles. So you should not move your knee forward in this action. Remember that only using your thigh muscles you are getting up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again you sit back. Again you are getting up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this way you have to do for 10 times. Either you can fold your hands like in front or you can keep it loose on your sides, but never hold the chair. In this way you are strengthening the thigh muscles, especially the muscles around the hip and also the thigh muscles. Next exercise is one leg balance. Here, like how we are standing near the kitchen top, you are standing but you are not holding anything. You are not holding the chair, but you are just going to lift the leg backwards. Now I am going to show you. Yeah. You are lifting the leg without holding anything. Just stand near a chair or near the kitchen top for support. You should not fall down. Maintain this position for 10 seconds and then repeat the same for another leg. 2 times you have to do. Eighth exercise is heel raise. In heel raise, you are lifting both the heels off the ground. You are maintaining this position for 3 seconds. And repeat the same thing for 10 times. Ninth exercise is side leg raise. See, you are giving all your weight on the right side knee and the left side knee is off the ground sideward. So in this way you maintain for 3 seconds. Similarly you do for the opposite leg. You repeat this for 10 times. 10th exercise is hamstring stretch. You can use a exercise belt here or towel. Here I am using a simple cloth which was available in my home. Just keep the towel at the edge of your foot. If you watch closely, you can see the towel is wrapping around my foot at its edge. And now you are going to slowly lift it off the ground as far as possible, even up to the level of 90 degree. See that your knees should not bend. See that you maintain this position for 10 seconds. Now slowly bring it down. You count for 10 seconds, take rest, and after 10 seconds again you lift it up. Count for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bring it down. Similarly you can do for the opposite leg, and please remember not to bend your knees. So repeat this for 10 times on each side hamstring stretch. Next exercise is straight leg raising exercise. Here same like before, you are going to lift the leg, but only thing you are not using the support of towel. Yeah, like I am showing in the video, you are lifting it up. Count for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Similarly you do for the opposite leg. You just repeat the same for 10 times on both sides, so that you are strengthening all your muscles around the knee. The quadriceps muscle, the hamstring muscle, the calf muscles, the leg muscles, all these muscles are getting strengthened. So all these muscle around the knee, when it is strengthened, it is going to stabilize the knee joint. So that is the concept behind this exercise. Now the same pillow squeeze exercise which I showed you by sitting, you can do the same thing by lying down like this. Keep the pillow in between your knees like this, and now you can squeeze same like before for 10 seconds. Repeat this for 3 times. See, Some of you might feel difficult to do even these simple exercises which I have demonstrated to you till now. So I will show you one very simple exercise to strengthen this quadriceps. So how to strengthen the quadriceps? See, you are going to give tightening to quadriceps. Just you are going to tighten it, the quadriceps. Just squeeze it and maintain that squeeze for 10 seconds. Similarly, you repeat for the opposite leg. Just by squeezing it for 10 seconds and releasing it, you are giving strength training for the quadriceps muscle. This is the most simplest exercise for knee pain. I hope this video on knee joint exercises was useful for you. Try to do these exercises. Share this video with all those people who are suffering from knee joint pain. Put your comments below whether your knee joint pain has reduced or not. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye from Dr. Karthikeyan. Thank you.